Hi all, Christine Byer here, licensed master esthetician for 20 years. What's number one on my Christmas list this Christmas? The Promoter Sale Repair Cream. This is part of the Sculplla line, and Sculplla is big into facial filling products. If you want to fill your face in a very natural looking way over time, just by applying products, this product is for you. Polylactic acid goes into the skin, it grabs onto that hair follicle and it implants itself there, and after a few months you start to see, and it's almost like having an extra millimeter of skin. And what skin problem couldn't be erased with an extra millimeter of skin on top? It's that implanted polylactic acid goes to work in the follicles, sending out that message, produce collagen. So it's a really fascinating product. The Koreans are super clever, super inventive when it comes to really rock solid, science-backed skincare. So check this out. I hope it's on the top of your Christmas list, and I hope that Santa delivers.